Good day to all my happy campers. From Ted here at RV Station Katy with this a beautiful, brand new 2022 Lance 1475 loaded with inverter, solar, all the fun goodies on Lance. Slide out, wind sensor awning, of course the 4-season coach, Truma water heater, backup camera, and the Fable Lance quality certified green, Asdel in the walls. Let's go on inside here, give you a brief little tour, a little bit more detailed than most, but I am here to help. Ted at rvstation.com or call my cell 713-443-0670. This is a very, as I mentioned, well-equipped Lance. Your battery monitor, inverter control, 110 12-volt USB, queen size bed up in front, the 60 by 80, and then with the slide out, you're picking up the recliners, individual chairs, swivel tables, storage up above. We've got our carefree awning, light control. And as I mentioned, the recliner, bingo. This sofa will also jackknife out and give you lots and lots of functionality. An extra sleeping spot as needed. And then, of course, microwave oven, 3-burner stove with a flush mount. Here at RV Station Katy, 27725 Katy Freeway, Katy, Texas, 77494. We'll look at the MSRP here. As we pull back, Sync, your backup camera, the King Dome antenna extension, over to your control panel with tank level monitors and the solar panel control, galley lights, all LED lights. The Lance clock, your slide control, and switch to convert the refrigerator to 12 volt should the need arise. Of course, with the solar maintaining the battery, should be lots of happy camping. And then finally, the bathroom here, where we're going to see a nice little shower and the vent covers as part of the all-weather package. And the nice new floor from Lance. This 2022 was a custom order that has now become available. Ted at rvstation.com, 713-443-0670. Happy camping!